Hello everyone. In a previous episode on Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, I described how to get a list of antivirus engine and signature versions for the hosts in your infrastructure using the Microsoft Graph API. But the problem remains. You know the versions that are currently installed on the hosts, but where can you get the latest versions that should be installed there? I haven't found any pretty solution for this. I parse public HTML pages on the Microsoft site, and I will show how I do it. If you know something better, please write in the comments. You can see the engine version on the Defender Updates page. It can be obtained using a simple function. In fact, this is just one GET request and parsing of the HTML page. As a result, we get the version of the Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Antivirus engine, which can be compared with the versions of the engine installed on the hosts. Now let's take a look at the signature versions. There is a page Anti-malware definition release notes. The one latest version may be enough for the Defender engine, because it doesn't change very often. But this will not work for signatures. Signatures are updated several times a day, and requiring all hosts to have the latest version of signatures at any given time is simply impractical. What can be done? We can get a signature version to the release date mapping and select the versions that work for us. The page has a drop-down list of all available versions. With a GET request, I get a list of these versions and then make separate requests to get the dates for them. By analyzing this mapping, you can, for example, get the maximum version that was 2 days ago and assume that all versions more than it are normal, and those that are less than it are outdated. The use of this information about the latest versions of the Defender for Endpoint engine and signatures depends on your corporate policy. And that's it for today. Please subscribe and leave your comments. Bye.